How to transfer funds from Deutsche Bank online. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer funds from Deutsche Bank online. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to transfer funds from Deutsche Bank online, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your online Deutsche Bank account to start an international credit transfer. Step 2. Select the DB account from which the money should be transferred. Step 3. Next, select the country you're sending money to and the currency to use. Step 4. If making a SEPA payment within the year, you will be redirected accordingly. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Step 6. Provide the required recipient account details. So that's how you can transfer funds from Deutsche Bank online. That's all for this video.